Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to answer someone's question on a previous video. So on the text gradient effect video, I got this comment from someone saying that they couldn't find the tidy up option in their Canva. So here I have a fresh canvas here. I'm going to bring the elements to the editor. First, let me show you with one element on the screen. Now with this one element selected, I go to the position tab up here and you can see there are 6 align options available. We are missing out on the 3 space evenly options at this time. Now I bring one more element to the editor. With both of them selected, I go back to the position tab and again only align to page options are available. Next, bring the third element to the screen and with all 3 of them selected together, go back to the position tab and there you can see the space evenly options ready to be applied. So the space evenly options to be there, you need at least 3 elements on your editor. Now depending on how you want your elements to appear, play around and get the desirable look. I hope this clarifies your question. Please let me know if you are able to follow the tutorial. If you have any doubts about Canva that I can help with, please let me know in the comments and I will clarify as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your feedback.